If you are serious about anti-aging, you are going to love Solawave, as this brand is focused on bringing you the latest and greatest anti-aging products. From their LED face wands to face and chest LED masks to their incredible serums. And I am thrilled that they just gifted me this one. This is the Plumping Peptide Serum, and what makes this amazing is it has pre and probiotics in it to help restore your skin barrier, protect your overall skin microbiome. It also has triple hyaluronic acid for extra hydration. And remember, hyaluronic acid itself is not a hydrator. It's bringing in the moisture around it and pushing it into your skin. So it works beautifully if you use this serum in play with other powerful moisturizers. And finally, this has avocado peptides. All of that combined is designed to firm and lift your skin, help you feel more youthful, and just be more in power of your skin overall. Now, I really love this brand. I love everything from them, and I love their serums because they are extremely clean products, vegan, cruelty-free, made in Korea, really great all around. And this serum has really no smell at all. It goes on so cleanly, and you can use this anywhere in your skincare routine. You can layer this in, ideally closer to the skin than later on if you're wearing lots of layers. It goes well with makeup. Anything you're using, this will work beautifully. Just put it on. It's really nice and soothing, very light. You may notice it's more of a liquid, and within moments, it will completely absorb into your skin, and your skin will just feel really nice and refreshed. So if you are going for that visibly smoother, more radiant complexion, this is one great option. I'm in my mid-40s. I have used many Solawave products over the years, and I'll tell you right now that my skin looks better now than it did a decade ago. Yes, I'm older. Yes, I have some sunspots that I got because I wasn't great in the sun as a kid, but I am in more control of my skin now than ever before, and a large part it's thanks to incredible products like this. Definitely worth checking out.